What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today, I have 3 altcoins that I think is a great buying opportunity during this dip that we have right now. And this could be your last chance before we do reach the moon between October through December, as a bull trend is imminent. So with that said, before we begin, be sure to like that button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and let's dive right in. So today, as you can see, we are noticing that the market is still taking a smaller dip, but again, this is a great time to dollar cost average. You may not have another opportunity like this at these prices because honestly, we had something similar after May's bearish market or short-term bear trend. And a lot of people got scared, a lot of people sold, but also people like you who are watching, our viewers, hold and hodl during these events. And since we are all in this together, we have all experienced what it's like to experience the emotion out of this bear short-term trend. But as your patience is rewarded, in the end, your cryptocurrency ends up being in profit because you don't sell, you don't panic sell, and you don't let your emotions run through you. And now we're going to choose 3 altcoins that I think you guys should invest in that could earn you some wealth. So with that said, let's start with the first coin. The first one is Coti. Now, if you don't know, Coti had announced their partnership with Cardano over the past weekend at the Cardano Summit, and that they would be an issuer of currency for Cardano. And right here we have a 24-hour trading volume down 24%, which is in my eyes a good thing. And the max supply of the Coti is around 2 billion. And already a little bit less than 50%, around 43% of Coti is in circulating supply. So when I see dips like this, if we zoom out to just the 3-month chart, right, we can definitely tell that it is still it's definitely broken its new all-time high. Still to this day, and that's really healthy. That means, this has a lot of potential, and Coti could be something really exciting for you guys to look at, and we're going to dive deep into an article that says something about Coti. Stablecoin launch with NFT integration back, Coti rises to a new all-time high. 3 reasons for the steady rally in Coti includes a launch of DJED stablecoin on the Cardano network, a series of exchange listings, and a launch of Coti's NFT gaming, which appears to be bringing new users to its ecosystem. Coti recently announced that its platform would be the official issuer of the DJED stablecoin on the Cardano network, and the price continued its upside move on that news. Aside from its DeFi applications, the DJED can also be used to pay transaction fees on the Cardano network as a way to prevent high gas fees and make the cost of conducting transactions more predictable. A second factor behind Coti's price growth is the token listing on several large exchanges, including Coinbase, the most active US-based cryptocurrency exchange. This announcement kicked off a series of exchange listings for Coti, including being added to Huobi, Crypto.com, the decentralized exchange 1inch Celsius, which is an all-in-one banking and financial services platform. And there's also NFT opportunities, which I won't go dive deep into just because there isn't enough information about that. But this is another reason why I'm pretty bullish on Coti. I would not, again, put a whole bunch of your funds into this one. I think it's very speculative, but we will see in this next bull run. But yeah, that's just my pure thoughts on that one. So the second one is the Gala. And I've mentioned in a previous video why I find Gala so intriguing to me. But Gala Games is soon to be, I feel, the next new Axie Infinity. It's a play-to-earn game, and also NFTs been integrated into their platform, so you can turn your NFT identities, your artwork, to use as a character to play in these games. And so your character can also be worth money over time, but you can also earn money. People in any country around the world can play these games and earn money, and who knows, buy themselves a new Lambo. We'll see. But again, Gala is my second choice, and I want to share with you guys something that I think was really interesting that they just announced. So Gala Games is going to be dropping something tomorrow, and we have to wait to see. But they're working with Frank Miller, and if you don't know who Frank Miller is, he worked on Sin City comics And it could be something really interesting because comics, NFTs, they work really well together. And so artwork and NFTs really work well together. And so do artists like Frank Miller. And if you go onto the website on frankmiller.io, you can enter your email on here and be kind of in the loop with what the launch is going to be and what it's going to be about. So sign up for that. So Gala Games, that's my second coin. Third and last coin is obviously Cardano. I feel pretty bullish on Cardano. I still hold Cardano, and right now we still have over 71% of Cardano being staked, but there's a lot of potential here. And it's at a new low, I feel. This is a lower low to me. This doesn't mean that it's not going to, in the long term or even the short term, not be bullish. It's just taken a slight breather. And yes, this was kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news after the Cardano summit this weekend. And we're seeing a slight dip in the charts right now. But when I see dips like this, I think that this is a great opportunity for you to buy in, because again, not too long ago, we were at $1.50, around $1.60 before it was announced that smart contracts were going to launch. And then the price started going up and it reached new all-time highs near around $3. And then it started taking a slight dip. And this is okay because, again, Cardano is a long-term investment. This is something that I feel is very promising. And on top of that, there's this company called Emergo that invested $100 million in Cardano to bolster DeFi adoption. So in this article, it says developers have been working since the Alonzo hard fork to bring their DeFi solutions to the ecosystem, but the decentralized finance already underway on a blockchain such as Ethereum and Solana, Cardano has a lot to catch up with these other networks. This is why the recent announcement from Emergo carries significant connotations for the future of DeFi on the network. Emergo, which is the commercial arm of Cardano's foundation, has made moves to help further the growth of decentralized finance solutions on the ecosystem. A $100 million investment is set to be made into the DeFi ecosystem in a big to promote the development and the growth of the platforms. So the CEO basically just announced on his Emergo Twitter that, again, this is something that they want to make sure to catch up with their competitors. Further down, it says the $100 million investment in the ecosystem is meant to go towards promoting the network's capabilities to developers and uses. Although NFTs are now live on the blockchain, decentralized finance has taken a long time as developers need to build and test their protocols before rolling them out to users. So what I see here is a potential for long-term rewards with Cardano. Yes, it's a little bit behind with Solana, Ethereum, and maybe some other DeFi blockchains. But here's the thing. Cardano has an amazing community, and over 71% is being staked, and it's number 3 on CoinMarketCap in all of cryptocurrency. That should tell you something, that Cardano is bullish, and it will not go away. It will not disappear. It is here to stay. So I hope that this is very helpful, guys. This video was here to just provide my own financial opinion. This is no way financial advice. Again, do your own research. Please watch other YouTubers, influencers, charters, whatever you want. Get their opinions before making any purchase. Now, with that said, again, my 3 coins, Coti, number 3. Number 2 is Gala Games, and number 1 is Cardano. And again, these are just my top 3 coins to buy in this dip right now. That will soon change. If we decide to go in a bull trend, bear trend, doesn't really matter. But this is just my top 3. If you guys want other cryptocurrencies that you want me to address or take a look at to see if it's something that you should be taking a buy in these dips, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and we'll talk about it on these upcoming videos. With that said, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time.